Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sewityourself. In this video, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful simple short top. You can pair it with skirt, jeans pant. Now, this is the measurement I'm using and you can change it according to your requirement. For today's project, I have taken a 1.5 meter printed rayon fabric and I am going to show you how to do markings in it. Firstly, I am folding the fabric half in width. Here we have two layers. Now for one more time, I am folding the fabric half in width. So here we will get 4 layers. This is the folded side and open side. I am drawing a straight line to trim the raw edges. Firstly, I'll cut the required length for my top, which is 24 inch, which includes seam allowance. Now I'm going to cut it. In my measurement, shoulder is 13 inch divided by 2, it gives you 6.5 inch. So I'm marking 6.5 inch. My neck width is 3 inch. From this point, mark half inch down for shoulder slope. Again from this point, mark 7 inch, which is my armhole depth. From the shoulder, mark 7.5 inch, which is my chest measurement, and 15 inch, my waist measurement. I am joining these points. My front neck depth is 6 inch and my back neck depth is 4 inch. In my measurement, chest is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So I am marking 10 inch plus 2 inch. My waist measurement is 34 inch divided by 4 gives you 8.5 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So I am marking 8.5 inch plus 2 inch. For my bottom, I am marking 12 inch, which is similar to my chest measurement. Find the midpoint and mark it. Now place the armhole scale like this and draw a back armhole. From this point, mark half inch inwards. I am drawing a half inch inwards to draw a front armhole curve. For back portion, I am drawing a round neckline, and for front portion, I am drawing a sweetheart neckline. I am joining these points. Now I am going to cut it. I am marking small notches on the chest, waist and the neck. Now I am separating the back portion. to trim the front armhole. So this is the back portion. I'm tracing the neckline. Now I'm trimming it. Now I'll show you how to fold the sleeves. Fold the sleeve by half in length. These are 2 layers. Now half in width. This is the open side and here we have 4 layers. Width is 9.5 inch and length of my sleeve is 15 inch, which includes seam allowance. Cap height is 4 inch, so from this point mark 4 inch. I am joining these points. Mark 8.5 inch from here, which is half inch less than my arm round measurement. Then mark seam allowance. I am joining these points. Find the midpoint and mark it. Using the armhole scale, I am drawing a back sleeve. Similarly, I am drawing the front sleeve. My sleeve round is 6 inch and mark the seam allowance. I am joining these points. Now I am going to cut it. Firstly, I'll trim the back sleeve. I'm separating the front and the back portion. Now I'll trim the front sleeve. So with this my cutting is complete. Now I'll show you how to stitch the top. For neck portion, front neck portion, I have taken a canvas paper. Length is 8 inch. Width is 5.5 inch. Mark 3 inch from the folded side. Mark 5 inch. Now I am drawing the sweetheart neckline. From this point, mark 1 inch. Now I am going to cut it. I have taken a leftover fabric. In that I am placing the canvas paper and I'll trim the excess fabric and I'll make a stitch here. By folding the corner, I am making a stitch. This is my front portion. Now I am placing the center of the neckline to the center of the front portion. Then I'll make a stitch. Then I will turn the neckline to the wrong side of the fabric. So now I am going to trim the excess fabric by leaving half inch space. I'm making a small cuts all around the neck. Now I'll turn the neckline to the wrong side of the fabric. This is how it looks. Now I'll make a stitch here. Using the bias tape, I'm finishing the back portion neckline. I'm placing the bias tape at the right side of the fabric. Then I will turn and make a stitch. I'm making a top stitch. So I'll finish this neckline after attaching the shoulder. I have taken a strips. Width is 3 inch and length is 9 inch. This is the right side of the fabric. Now I'm folding the fabric like this and I'll make a stitch at the corner. This is to make a fake button placket. Now I'm turning this inside out. So I'm going to place this at the center of the neckline. After that I will attach the buttons in it. Pin the strip like this and make a stitch. Now I'm lifting the pressure foot and make a stitch like this. Similarly, I'm lifting it and turn the fabric and make a stitch. I have finished attaching. Now for the back portion, I'll complete this after attaching the shoulder. I'm placing the front portion. Now I'll attach the shoulder. So this is the back portion and this is the front portion. Fold the bias tape like this and fold it one more time in the opposite direction and make a stitch. So you can see, after turning this, it looks like this. Now I'm folding the back portion neckline and I'll make a stitch. I have finished attaching the shoulder. Now for sleeves, this is the wrong side of the sleeve, fabric. I'm folding the strip half in width and I'll make a stitch here. After that I will turn the strips at the right side of the fabric. Now I am turning the strips at the right side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch. Similarly, I finished the other sleeve. I finished attaching both the sleeves. Now I'll show you how to attach the sleeve with the top. So I'm placing the center of the sleeve at the shoulder I mean the center of the shoulder. Then I will make a stitch here. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. So I have finished attaching both the sleeves with the top. Now I'll attach both the sides starting from the sleeve round till the bottom. So from the bottom, mark 3 inch above, and from here mark 1 inch. So from the sleeve round, join here till this point for both the sides. Stitch up to this point, then lift the pressure foot and turn the fabric and make another stitch. Similarly, I'll finish for the other side. Now this is the bottom of the front portion. I'm folding it twice and I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. Similarly, I'll finish for the other side. So I have finished both the sides. Now I'm going to fold the fabric twice. See, this is how you have to fold it. And starting from here, I'm going to give a stitch. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.